You see a big Anton there? You can do every single thing.
You want to pay a Christmas present?
I mean alone I eat out there. Welcome to our channel. It's We Are Young Family. Guys, today we're going to catch the early bird.
Catch the early bird.
The early bird Black Friday sales, guys. So we're heading into the stores to see what offers we can get today, people.
Alright, catch the bird, baby.
So people, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like the video, share and comment, and watch our videos too, people.
Carol, I'm putting on this.
I put Carol in that.
Carol, why you like
You don't like it, you know, Leo.
You don't like it?
You're gonna love it today. I'm kinda scared.
Hey,
Right? Yes, papi. Hold on tight, Papa. Right?
Okay?
So I saw where Cost You less had a few things before November 27. So we're going to check out and see what exactly they have today, right? If we can pick up anything or not. There are some nice Christmas trees, Leo. Some decorations. Ooh. Leo, this aisle is full.
But this is to walk through.
Ooh, Leo. What's that? Is that a television? Samsung TV? How much for this? $2,199 for 85-inch TV. I want to do with such a big TV though, Leo. I want seen, sir. Right? Is there no special price on these?
No.
Leo, here's a hair fryer that I was telling you about. It's on sale and it's even cheaper than the price that I saw it for. I saw it for $68. $54. And you know these. Leo, where are you seeing 68? I'm seeing 64.
How about Baltic air fryer?
So how are these? Hamilton.
Yeah,
so this is the first sale, people. Tell me whether or not it's worth it. It's this nice air fryer. You see a big Anton there? You can do every single thing.
You want to pay a Christmas present?
I mean alone I eat out there.
But I can afford my food just the same.
A Cairo I got used for, not me. It says that it's fries, roast, baked fish, shrimp, chicken, steak, pizza, reheat and dehydrate.
No,
I don't know. I don't know, babe. Yeah, come we go and look if anything will circle. But yeah, we're not getting a Christmas tree, so the balls are unnecessary. Only that alone, nothing. I don't want, babe.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's ugly thing.
Yeah, just something to put on the wall. They have some shirts, you know. They're really big though.
On vacation shirts.
Who really wears that? Alright. So far people, we got just a few blows, right?
No Black Friday sale deals.
No Black Friday sale on those blows, but we got some blows and people. The store in Cayman, it sells everything. It sells food. This costs you less. It sells food, it sells TV, it sells clothes. So it's basically a one-stop place right here in Cayman. Don't, babe.
I'm back now. Don't have enough,
The Welsh.
Yeah.
Okay. This looks really cute. I think this is for Christmas, Leo. Wine bottle with chocolate. I don't know. It's the first time seeing it, really. Eh?
This is not our eye.
Nope.
Not at all.
So far, people know Black Friday deals. We saw the air fryer.
Just regular stuff, man.
Yeah, we saw the air fryer. That's on deal already. So
Like only selected stuff, like nothing much, basically.
no, they have some.
Just the air fryer I'm actually see.
Thus far, we have to really probably come back on next week Friday for the deals. Me just say one bag of things when I have for sale. We need to find the aisle where I have like the toys and stuff to fit around. Ooh, yes, people. I didn't want no blue, you know. Them feels good. Them feel good, but me not like the color. You like the color? I'm ugly.
The green is not bad.
The green and green at Christmas though. What are they though?
Them say
Just
5
towels.
piece kitchen towel.
So basically, me would have to buy this different. The mitten.
It was not bad. Eh?
Ooh, you're buying this for baby Kai.
Because I'm married to-
You're buying this for baby Kai, Carol. Do you want this? Remember, you remember last year you couldn't tell me when you want? You couldn't tell me when you want, Leo. I think this is, you see the price, people? I wonder if this is going on sale. $500, Leonard. 500 Cayman dollars. It's about $600. Yes, I wonder this you need to buy. There, this is for $3.79. We don't even have space to put it much less. The car would have to sleep out. That's sweet. Carol can't tell we say one car this year. You remember last year? Love the car. Look on the boy. Love the car. The one going in one car, don't Papa? Remember last year we don't know what to buy him. This year you might tell us in one car. Actually I say car. But you know, moving away from this aisle. I wish I knew what I buy him later if we have the space.
One when I'm back, the big one.
The big one there? So I want to have a little one, yeah.
That was small.
It's cute. Pandemic. Ooh, this is cute, people. But can it fit me? Says it's large. But I think I'd need an extra large. Anything there? So guys, this is what we got. Pre Black Friday sale. We got our hair fryer. Yes, people, you guys gonna see me unboxing this thing and trying it out for the first time. Got a couple blows. Yeah. So yes, guys, we got the hair dryer and couple blows. And we're stopping at another store, right, Leo?
Yeah.
Yes, people, and then we're going to be stopping at another store. So guys, we're at our second destination. This is actually priced right, and they also have early bird Black Friday deals. So we're just checking and see what we can get. You know, we don't have anything really in mind, but yeah. These are some nice earphones. Earphones. Wow. I actually think I want something like this being Christmas. You see, when you get me, when me ask if you want being Christmas piece. But them nice. Where's babe? Babe, you like this? You like them headphones, yeah?
Yo.
I know. Okay.
Not that guy.
You don't like them. You don't like them. Guys, we're looking for some carpets for the kitchen and the restroom. Babe, let's go down. Let's go down. Like these are for people cards. Ooh. This reminds me of Jamaica downtown. Wow, this is nice. Guys, remember I told you that I'll be coming back for some hand knittings and some hand towels, right? We are probably not buying them at the other store, and now I'm looking and I'm not seeing them. So I don't know what happened. But the last time they were here, guys, the early bird Black Friday shopping kind of put on pause now. They are eat some food, right? Or rather get some food to eat. Guys, as usual, the food look good, but you know, a problem with buffet food, it kind of fresh over here in Cayman, but you know, we're praying to God that it tastes good. All fingers crossed, people. So yes, guys, we just completed buying a couple carpets for the household for Christmas. So far we get the air fryer, we get myself a couple blows and some carpets. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. So bye-bye, Carol. So bye-bye. Bye-bye. To We Are Young Family. Guys, please remember, if you have not yet subscribed, like, share, and comment. Bye, guys.